Welcome back. So today I'm here with this month's euphorbiabox for the month of February, which is the Valentine's month, and I am sure they have Valentine's edition. I open the box. I have a card which says Euphorbia February box, and it has all the details about the products, and it says I love lipstick, I do. And there was bubble wrap. I open everything. I have a card for Magic Dust which is 10% discount on all products, and the first product I can see is this instant glow magic pack. This is the Magic Dust organic fresh natural instant glow magic pack, and this is of 450 rupees. It expires at June 2019 and it's manufactured freshly in last month. It has chocolate, cocoa butter, shea butter, argan oil, jojoba oil, vitamin E oil, and it's really expensive. But let me see how it is. It says it's chocolate fragrance, but I don't actually see any strong fragrance, so that's nice. If you're someone who don't like the fragrance, you can definitely try this because it's not overly scented. And yes, this is how the pack look like. And the next two things I see are the lipsticks, so let us see. This is really differently packaged. It's in shade 201. It's a very sleek lipstick. It's in shade 201 and it's like pretty red color, and this is how the shade. Yes, this is the first lipstick what we have got. And the next one I see is this matte look super matte lipstick, and this is in shade 48, and this one says it's super matte lipstick. It's 3.8 grams and it has all the ingredient details here, and it says it's especially curated for euphorbiabox, and the MRP is 350 rupees. The lipstick bullet is, so the packaging is cute. It comes in this velvety softy kind of bullet packaging, and this is how the lipstick is. Oh, it's nudish brown. I don't know if it suits me, but this is how it looks on my skin tone, the upper one above the red shade. I know it's not visible, but I'm not sure, but we'll see how it looks on me. Last thing I see is this little tiny nose pin which says it's neon nose pin, and this actually, okay, you also have a promo code which is holiday20 and you can get additional 20% off whenever you buy something from here. So it's neoncreations.com. It's really cute. Let me see. So this is how it is. It's really pretty. It's a cute tiny little nose pin. You can press it, and yeah, that's so cute, and it's retailed at 150 rupees. This is all I got in my February Euphorbia box. I got products worth of 1250. That is way more than the box price itself. So I'm happy. I am really happy to see this nose pin and excited to try this as well. So yes, thanks all for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button, and also don't forget to subscribe. Thanks all. Talk to you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.